Hi guys, in today's video you are going to see another perfect recipe. Oh my god, almond seed and banga soup. Have you tried this one out? This is another healthy recipe. Stay tuned if you want to know how I prepare this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Mother's Creativities. You are highly welcome, and for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. I really appreciate you. And if you are just watching my video, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It takes absolutely nothing for you to subscribe. It's just for you to hit that button, subscribe, and put on your notification bell in case anytime we upload new video you will be notified. In this video we are going to be making another recipe, another delicious recipe that you cannot imagine how delicious this recipe is going to come out. Try and stay tuned, comfortable. Without taking much of your time, as I introduce the ingredients, we are going to be cooking almond soup. That is almond seed. We are going to be using it for soup. I just fry it. The other time I ground it with this back. It was alright. So I don't like peeling out the back. I just go ahead and blend it the way it is. You can see this now. I hope you can see it, guys. So, and this is my banga that I'm going to be using with it. Can you see this? This is it. And this is my spinach. I'm going to be mixing it with spinach. The other time I made this soup, I added that is bitter leaf, but this time around I want to try out spinach. You can see this. And this is my pomo. Is it pomo? It's cow head. This is not pomo. This is cow head. I'm going to be using this. And this is my fresh fish that I'm going to be using as well. As you guys know, I'm not a fond of beef meat. I'm going to be using a little beef meat in this soup because I don't really like too much beef. I do like fish. I will be using this fish. And as I earlier said, this is the beef I'm going to. It's not just only beef as well because I don't really like beef meat. It's mixed with biscimbo. You can see this. So I'm going to be using this beef. And this is my scotch bonnet pepper that I'm going to be using. And this is my dry fish. This is my dry fish that I'm going to be using as well. This is my crayfish. This is my crayfish. So this is my ginger and basilico. You know I don't really like thyme in my food. Sorry to say, I don't know if it is good, but I don't really like thyme. I don't like the aroma of thyme. And my salt is here as well. And this is my Maggi cube. So without wasting much time, I will just go ahead and add my meat. Everything have been washed. I just washed everything before coming out. Right now I'm going to pour it. And I will go ahead and add my salt. I will add just one Maggi cube. I will go ahead and add my basilico. I will add my ginger. And this is my onions. I'll go ahead and slice it inside the meat. So this is it. I'm not going to be adding water as for now. If you want to make your meat so tasty, don't add water at the beginning. Just try and cook it with that little water that came out with, as in after washing it. I'm going to put on my gas right now before we go to the rest session. So I will go ahead and cover it, and let me see the amount of water that will just came out from there. If it's not enough, I can add a little bit of water, but I just have to steam it first with that water that came out from the meat. And stay tuned, guys. I will go ahead and blend my almond seed. I will go and blend it, and we come back into the video. So guys, you can see I just finished blending the almond seed. It looks like granola. That's why I fry it, so that it will be okay for me to blend, as in little bit dry. You know, almond has a lot of oil. Because did I say I want to tell you why I did not peel off the back? If you are the type that after eating granola soup you are having running stomach, or don't peel them, don't peel their back like this almond seed. If you are also the type, because of the spinach I'm going to be using as well, I decided not to peel the back because I know it's not harmful. So this is it. And at this time you can see my meat is popping. You can see how the water, you can see the water that came out from the beef. You can see, and it's so tasty because everything will normally go inside the meat. At this time I will be adding my cow head or more. I don't know if it's the right word for me to use, but I'm going to be adding it inside now, and I will allow the momo to just cook with it. And at this time I will also add a little water. I'm adding this because I want the cow head to done a little bit. I'm just going to cook it less than 5 minutes, because after everything is going to get done inside the soup. So this is it, guys. I'm going to leave it, as I earlier said, less than 5 minutes. Everything will go ahead with the soup. Stay tuned. I will go ahead and slice my spinach, and I will open my banga palm nut cream inside the pot. This is how the palm nut is looking. Don't know if you can see it. Okay, this is how the palm nut is looking. So I'm going to pour it inside my pot. So you can see the meat have been cooking. You can see how, and you can see my husband is assisting me by slicing the leaf, and I will be taking the meat aside, like keeping it aside, and I will place my banga. So this banga is going to cook for just some minutes, like 5 minutes is okay. I'm going to allow the banga to cook first for 5 minutes. So I will go ahead to cover it. My husband did not really like slicing the leaf with the cutting board. You know, we are used to this. As far as we are from Nigeria, we are used to it. We always like slicing with our hands. So guys, you can see, oh my god. So the banga have been cooking for 5 minutes now. You can, all the oil is out. At this time I will be adding my banga leaf. This is my banga leaf, and this one is from Africa. And I'm going to be adding a little. This makes the scent of the banga, as in the aroma of the banga, as in so perfect. It makes the aroma so perfect, like bringing out that banga scent you are looking for. And I'm going to stir everything now. At this time, I'm going to add my almond seed. I'm going to add it to it. Don't worry, everything is going to melt. Just after adding it, try and stir it so well so that everything will get scattered. Just make sure you scatter it so that you not get some lump inside. You can also use water to melt it, as in to mix up the almond seed before adding it if you wish, if you prefer it that way. But I know I can always mash it with my stick spoon. So you see, everything is perfectly all right. I will go ahead by adding my dry fish. I will then add my pepper. I will be adding my crayfish now. Crayfish, and I will be adding I will go ahead and add my Maggi cube. I'm going to add the meat and the stock all together. That is why I allowed the banga to cook for a while. I'm going to be roasting this one. So just tell. I'm going to be using this pot to add water because I'm going to restart the meat stock. Make sure you can measure the amount of water you are adding to it. So can you see this? At this time, I will be adding my salt. Little salt, you know, almond seed has salt already, and I have boiled my meat with salt as well. I just add a little salt. If not taken, you can taste it before adding salt. So we are going to cover it to cook before we come to the rest ingredients. We are going to check it out because you have to be checking it out often, because you know groundnut soup or almond seed, they get burned easy. It's not burning at all. At this time, I will be adding my fresh azum fish. This water. We'll just allow the fish to done for 3 minutes, then we add the last ingredient, spinach. Oh my god, can you feel this? Can you see how the soup, as in, can you feel the same thing I'm just feeling right now? Like how beautiful the soup, how delicious is looking. So now we are going to be adding the spinach now. This is the last part, and you can see the thickness, and I make it thick like this because you know spinach has water, so it's like water leaf. Don't worry, the spinach, everything is going to melt. Just have to turn it careful so that the fish will not don't really have much time to done. We are going to leave this for less than 5 minutes and we are done with our cooking. So guys, can you see this? I hope you can see what I'm seeing. Can you see what I'm seeing? This is so yummy. If you try out this soup, I know you will come back and tell me, Ladyzion, you have been cooking before, but this one is different. This is so delicious. Did you see many so that is added? This one is so delicious. So I have tasted and this is so delicious. So I'm going to set the soup aside. Please, this video is going to be long a little bit. I have been doing short video. This one is going to be long, as in all tankere. It go long small. I beg. Make una just wash am. Una just enjoy am, wash am. And so now make una help una sister. So and I know you are going to enjoy watching this video. So I will set the soup aside. I go ahead with my pounded yam. I want to make pounded yam that I will be using to eat this food now. So I will go ahead and this is my pot. Oh my dear, cover. Can you see this? This is how it is. So anytime I want to make ema, I must put 1 egg inside. I don't know if is any person like me. So I love eggs a lot. So I will start off by making my ema. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, if you like what you just see, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have just been watching and put on your notification bell in case anytime we upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.